Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about dates and the incredible health benefits that come with eating them. Dates are a type of fruit that have been cultivated for thousands of years and are enjoyed around the world. They're sweet, chewy, and are often used as a natural sweetener in recipes. But did you know that dates are also incredibly healthy? In this video, we'll be discussing 6 amazing health benefits of dates. So let's get started. Great source of nutrients. Dates are an excellent source of nutrients. They contain a wide range of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, magnesium, iron, and vitamin B6. In fact, just a few dates can provide you with a significant portion of your daily recommended intake of these essential nutrients. Boost energy levels. Dates are high in natural sugars, including fructose, glucose, and sucrose. This makes them a great source of quick energy. Eating dates can help boost your energy levels, making them the perfect snack for a midday pick-me-up. Aid in digestion. Dates are also great for digestive health. They contain fiber, which is essential for maintaining healthy bowel movements. Eating dates can help prevent constipation and promote regularity. Support brain health. Dates contain several nutrients that are important for brain health. For example, vitamin B6 has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the brain, which can help prevent neurological diseases. Additionally, dates contain antioxidants that help protect the brain from oxidative stress. Aid in weight loss. Dates are a low-calorie, high-fiber food that can help you feel full and satisfied while consuming fewer calories. They can also help regulate blood sugar levels, which can prevent overeating and promote weight loss. Improve bone health. Dates are a great source of calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong bones. Eating dates regularly can help prevent conditions like osteoporosis and ensure that your bones stay healthy and strong. Aid in labor and delivery. Finally, dates have been shown to have a number of benefits for pregnant women. They're a great source of nutrients that are important for fetal development, and some studies have even shown that eating dates during the last few weeks of pregnancy can help to reduce the duration of labor and improve outcomes for both mother and baby. So there you have it, 6 amazing health benefits of dates. With their sweet taste and incredible nutritional value, dates are the perfect addition to any healthy diet. So why not try adding them to your next meal or snack? Your body will thank you.